show you how to fix the water in these tail lines. As you can see, it's got moisture in it. This is a common problem. I've already fixed this one before. What we need to do is take the tail line here. You can just see there I've drilled a little hole underneath here. It's got to be in that spot here. If you put it in the side here, it'll let water in. So you want to put it in here so it drains and it dries out. So I'll take the other tail line out. Got to undo the torque screw, a couple of these plugs. These can be quite hard to get out. Oops. That's the first one. This is the second one. Oops. Bloody hell, tell you. Rightio. That's the two. We need a torque split here. Just undo them. I'll do that. It's the T25. See it on there. You see the water in here. See the water? See the water? Right, turn it over. See it there? This clip. Yeah. Alright, yeah, we need to drill that hole. So you want to aim for here, right under the guts where it sits. So right in about here. So we'll just drill it into the lens. Right in this spot. About here. Whoops. As you can see, we've got our drill bit in the lens. Take that back out. You've got to be careful, we don't want to damage that backing. And here comes the water. Was trapped in it. So as you can see, there's quite a bit. Alright, and what we'll do is we'll just open that hole up a little bit more, carefully. got that nice little hole in there. I did put a little mark in there, which I was just pissed off on, but you won't be able to tell though when you put it back in the car. You won't be able to tell the light's even had a drill hole in it. Right, and that will dry out in the sun now because it's got a clear hole, well, just drilled into it, nice and neat, and that will be allowed to drain out and we'll get air in there to dry the lens out. Alright, all we'll do now is put it back in the car. Got a line that clip up here. That's it. Clips back in. There. And that will dry out. We'll put our little hole in here, and the sun will dry that out, and it'll be right. It'll be like this. This is what it looks like when it's finished. You can see I put a tiny little mark in there before. That's what I try to avoid. But this has never had no more water in it, no more moisture. It's fixed it permanently. And so you fix the tail light. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment in the section. And thanks for watching.